With that, big breaking news which is coming in. Massive face-off over the SIR now has gone to the Supreme Court. The TMC has moved the apex court against SIR. TMC leaders have filed a plea seeking urgent hearing. This is day after Mamata Banerjee had announced the Supreme Court this move, that they are going to be moving the Supreme Court as well. That's a big story that we are tracking for you. TMC has challenged SIR in the top court. 58 lakh voters have been illegally omitted is the claim that they have made, saying names have been deleted without notice or any hearing. Let me go across to Harish Nair, our legal editor, for more details on this. Harish, when do we expect the Supreme Court to take up this plea by the TMC and tell us what the salient features, what the salient highlights of this plea of the TMC is?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. We should remember that yesterday Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, had said that she will move the Supreme Court, and if required, she herself will argue this matter, saying that she is a very qualified lawyer. So a day after that, today, TMC, through its MP, senior MP Derek O'Brien, has moved an application in Supreme Court seeking its intervention, saying that they had already moved the Election Commission of India with various complaints, but their complaints fell on deaf ears. He complains that 58 lakh voters have been omitted from the draft roll illegally, arbitrarily, in violation of procedure, and says that the publication of final rolls, which is scheduled for February 14, should be stayed at any cost. And the Election Commission of India is issuing crucial directions to its field officers through WhatsApp or orally, and not through proper circulars, notifications, or through statutory orders. So this is the contention of Derek O'Brien, who has moved this application through for the TMC, complaining about serious irregularities in the manner in which the SIR is being conducted in West Bengal. And it's expected that at around 2 p.m., when the matter is already listed before the bench of Chief Justice Suryakant, wherein the Bihar SIR, validity of the Bihar SIR is being challenged, and also the SIR in various other states will also be come up for hearing. During that hearing, it's expected that this particular application filed by Derek O'Brien on behalf of TMC will also be mentioned, and we'll have to wait and watch whether West Bengal, the TMC gets an urgent hearing or not. And apart from that, it says that Election Commission is issuing critical instructions to field officers through WhatsApp or orally, and no proper written notifications, circular or statutory orders are being issued. And it says it also says the plea also urges the Supreme Court to halt final publication of electoral rolls, which is scheduled for 14th February, warning that proceedings under the current timeline could lead to irreversible disenfranchisement of genuine voters ahead of West Bengal Assembly elections. So the TMC already saying that 58 lakh voters have been omitted from the draft rolls, and this has to be looked into by the Supreme Court, and only then the permission should be given to publish the final rolls, which is already scheduled for February 14th. They are seeking an extension of time. We have to wait and watch whether the application is heard today and the TMC will get some relief.
We'll have to wait and see, because the TMC has asked for an urgent hearing. We do not know if that is going to be accepted yet. Of course, Harish is there tracking minute-by-minute developments at the apex court. Thank you so much, Harish. This, of course, continues to be one of our top focus stories. But for the time being, we are going to be slipping into a short break. Don't go anywhere. We return on the other side with lots more news and updates.